Let's be honest, your daily routine could probably use an upgrade. What if I told you a single gadget could save you hours on chores each week? Or that another could solve a problem you didn't even realize was driving you nuts? Today, we're looking at some brilliant inventions that are quietly revolutionizing our lives. We're talking everything from a smart robot that automates your most hated chore to simple tools that make your home so much more functional. Stick around to see the future of everyday living. Viral home inventions have this special kind of magic, don't they? They take off because they solve the little universal frustrations we all deal with. They're clever, they're accessible, and they just work. That's why these products blow up on social media. They offer simple, satisfying solutions to our daily grind, starting with one that takes a huge weight off your shoulders and your countertops. Let's start in the kitchen. We all have those amazing heavy-duty gadgets, stand mixers, blenders, food processors, but where do they live? If you're like most of us, they're shoved in a deep cabinet because they're just too bulky to keep out. This creates two problems. Your counters are still cluttered, and your best tools are such a pain to drag out that you barely use them. This is where the appliance lift comes in. It's one of those "why didn't I think of that" inventions. It's a spring-loaded mechanism you install inside a cabinet. You put your heavy appliance on the shelf, and when you need it, you just open the door and guide it up and out. The spring does the heavy lifting for you, raising the appliance to counter height with almost no effort. When you're done, it tucks away just as smoothly, completely out of sight. The beauty of it is its simplicity. It's not a flashy smart device. It's a practical solution to a real physical problem. It frees up precious counter space, making your kitchen feel bigger and way more organized. But more importantly, it makes your favorite gadgets easy to access. No more wrestling a 60-pound mixer from the depths of a dark cabinet. It's a total game changer for anyone who loves to cook or just wants a more functional kitchen. Next up is an invention that adds a little bit of luxury and a whole lot of convenience to your home. We've all been there. You're finally settled on the couch for a movie, and a sudden glare hits the TV. Or you're already cozy in bed and realize you left the blinds wide open. It's a small thing, but it's a daily annoyance. Enter motorized smart blinds. This is a complete automation of how you control light and privacy. With a remote, a tap on an app, or a voice command to Alexa or Google Assistant, you can adjust every blind in the room at once. You can even schedule them, have them open with the sunrise, close during the hottest part of the day to save energy, or shut automatically at bedtime. But it's not just about convenience. For families with kids or pets, getting rid of dangling cords makes the home a lot safer. They can also make your home more secure. By scheduling them to open and close while you're away, it looks like someone's home. Plus, they improve energy efficiency by blocking solar heat in the summer and keeping warmth in during the winter, which can help lower your energy bills. It's the perfect mix of safety, efficiency, and modern cool. For the millions of cat owners out there, this next one is a lifesaver. Let's face it, the litter box is the worst part of having a cat. It's smelly, germy, and cleaning it is a nightmare. Automatic scooping litter boxes have been around, but they only solve half the problem. Newer models are taking hygiene to the microscopic level. A great example of this is the integration of UVC germicidal light. Here's how it works. After your cat leaves the box, a sensor makes sure the coast is clear. Then, the device activates a UVC light that sterilizes the waste area. While a product called Litter Zap was an early pioneer of this idea, we now see this feature in popular high-end models from brands like Casaleo. This technology isn't just about odor control. It's about creating a healthier environment for you and your pet by neutralizing bacteria and other pathogens. It cuts down on odor-causing germs and reduces the risk of tracking nasty stuff through your house. It's a high-tech solution to an ancient problem, making life cleaner and fresher for pet parents everywhere. If you're finding these inventions as cool as I do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want more videos showcasing the latest and greatest gadgets, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Now, let's get futuristic. We have smart speakers that listen. But what if your smart home assistant could move, interact, and actually be a companion? That's the idea behind Samsung's Ballie. First shown off a few years ago, Ballie is a rolling AI robot that's been one of the most anticipated gadgets in tech. Think of Ballie as R2-D2 for your house. It's a small, ball-shaped robot that can patrol your home like a mobile security camera, sending you video updates. But it's so much more. It has a built-in projector, so it can throw a movie on the wall, display a recipe on your counter, or project a workout video on the floor. It syncs with your smart devices to manage appliances, answer calls, and even feed your pets. Powered by advanced AI like Google's Gemini, Ballie is designed to understand your routines and have natural conversations. Samsung has promised it will launch in the US and Korea, with many reports from early 2025 pointing to a release in the first half of the year. While it's not on store shelves just yet, Ballie represents the next step in smart living, a central, interactive hub for the truly connected home. Sticking with home security, this next invention tackles a big limitation of traditional cameras. They only see one spot. If you want to check the living room, kitchen, and the entryway, you usually need multiple cameras. Or, you could have one camera that flies. That's exactly what the Ring Always Home Cam is, an autonomous indoor security drone. The device sits in a charging dock, and when you're away, you can tell it to take flight. You can program preset paths, so it can fly to the kitchen to check on the stove or to the front door to see if a package is there. If your Ring alarm goes off, the drone automatically flies to investigate, giving you a real-time view of what's happening. Privacy was a big consideration here. The camera is physically blocked when it's docked and only records mid-flight. Ring also designed it to be loud enough that you can hear it coming, so it won't be sneaking up on anyone. The product has had a slow, invitation-only rollout since it was announced, so it's not something you can just pick up at the store yet. But it's a seriously creative solution for whole home monitoring, giving you peace of mind from a single, dynamic point of view. For our last one, let's rewind to an invention that so completely changed a daily chore. It's hard to imagine life before it. Before the 90s, vacuuming meant dealing with messy, disposable bags that clogged with dust and made the machine lose suction. It was just an accepted, frustrating part of cleaning. Then, James Dyson came along. After over 5,000 prototypes, he perfected a system using cyclonic separation, spinning air at high speeds to fling dust and dirt out into a clear bin. The result was a vacuum that never lost suction. His first model, the DC-01, launched in the UK in 1993, and by the early 2000s, the revolution had spread to the US and beyond. The impact was huge. No more bags to buy and no more watching your vacuum get weaker as it filled up. You could actually see all the dirt you were collecting, which is weirdly satisfying, and emptying the bin was way cleaner than fumbling with a dusty bag. The Dyson bagless vacuum forced the entire industry to innovate and ultimately made our homes cleaner and our chores easier. It's a perfect example of how one brilliant idea can solve a common problem so effectively that it becomes the new standard for everyone. From a simple lift that saves your back to an AI robot that manages your home, these inventions all share one thing. They solve real problems with incredible creativity. Whether they're high-tech or brilliantly simple, they streamline our routines, improve our homes, and just make life a little bit easier and more fun. They're proof that there's always a better way to do things. So, which of these inventions would you want most? Let me know which gadget was your favorite in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.